Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you can watch a basic maths lesson every week. Also, those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning for better understanding of new lessons. So let us start today's lesson, that is coordinate system. Last class you have studied the points on a number line. What is the coordinate of those points and how to find the distance between them. Today we will study what a coordinate system is. Look at the figure. You can see two number lines perpendiculars of each other. Perpendiculars of each other means at 90 degree. Intersecting at the origin. What is the origin of the number line? 0. So what is the condition? Two number lines perpendiculars of each other, intersecting at the origin in a plane makes the coordinate system. Understood? There are two perpendicular number lines intersecting at origin. So if you draw such number lines, the plane is divided into four equal parts. Each part is called quadrant. What it is? Quadrant means 1/4. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now, how you will get the coordinates of the points in a coordinate system? Also, these number lines in the coordinates system are named as axis. But it is, now you don't call number line. What are they? Axis. The horizontally drawn number line is called x-axis and vertically drawn number line is called y-axis. And the line is named as x, x dash, y, y dash. In x-axis and y-axis, the number 0 is at the intersecting point. In x-axis, positive numbers are to the right of 0, negative numbers are to the left of 0. In y-axis, positive numbers are above 0 and negative numbers are below 0. That is the method of drawing x-axis and y-axis. Now, how you will get the coordinate? In a single number line, the number corresponds to the point is the coordinate of that point. Here, for a particular point in a coordinate system, you will get two coordinates with respect to x-axis and also with respect to y-axis, and you have to Write the coordinate of a particular point in the coordinate system in bracket as pairs. First you have to write the coordinate with respect to x-axis, that is called x-coordinate, and the coordinate with respect to y-axis to be written next. So that is called y-coordinate. Now, first we will see the points on x-axis and y-axis. What will be their coordinates? Now look at the point on x-axis. Here there is a point D. It is in bracket, you can see the coordinates written 6 and 0. What does it means? Coordinate with respect to x-axis is 6. That is, the point is on the number 6 on the axis. And with respect to y-axis, it is 0. Corresponding to y-axis, it is 0. Here see a point on y-axis, that is Q 0, 4. 0 is the x-coordinate and 4 is the y-coordinate. That is, this point is on the number 4. And what is x-coordinate? 0. And now again a point on x-axis, that is R. I written the bracket -3, 0. -3 is the x-coordinate, that is corresponding to x-axis. This point is on -3. Now see the y-coordinate, it is 0. How you are getting this? You have to, from this point, you have to draw perpendicular to y-axis. Where it ends, that will be the y-coordinate. So this is 0. Y-coordinate is 0. Similarly, another point on y-axis is bracket, see the coordinates 0 and -5. So when you have to find the y-coordinate, you have to draw the perpendicular to when you have to find y-coordinate, you have to draw perpendicular to y-axis. When you want to find x-coordinate, you have to draw perpendicular to x-axis from that point. So here 0, x-coordinate is 0. So when you draw the perpendicular, it reaches 0. And y-coordinate is -5 only. It is on the y-axis. So what you can see from this? Any point on x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. And any point on y-axis, x-coordinate is 0. That is a property. Understood? Any point on the x-axis, y-coordinate is 0. Any point on y-axis, x-coordinate is 0. Now, A is a point on the first quadrant. See how you will get the coordinate. From A, draw perpendicular to x-axis, you will get x-coordinate, that is 4. From A, draw perpendicular to y-axis, you will get the y coordinate. Here you can see that both x coordinate and y coordinate of a point in first quadrant is positive. Both are positive. Now take a point in the second quadrant. Point B. X coordinate is, by drawing the perpendicular, -1 and y coordinate is 3. -1, 3. That is any point, if you take any point in second quadrant, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be positive. Now take the third quadrant. There is a point C. First find x coordinate, that is -4. Then find y coordinate by drawing the perpendicular to the respective axis. So -4, -4. Both are minus. That is any point, if you take anywhere and draw the perpendicular to the axis, you will get negative value, negative coordinate. So any point in the third quadrant, both x and y coordinates are negative. Now take the fourth quadrant. There is a point D. First find x coordinate by drawing the perpendicular to x axis. The corresponding number is 3. And draw the perpendicular to y axis. The corresponding number is -2. Therefore, the coordinate of D is 3 -2. It will be always x positive and y negative. If you take anywhere, when you draw the perpendicular to x axis, it will be positive. And if you draw the perpendicular to y axis, it will be negative. So what is this property? Any point in the first quadrant, both the x and y coordinates are positive. Any point in the second quadrant, x negative and y positive. Any point on the third quadrant, both the coordinates are negative. Any point in the fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. On seeing the axis and how you are distributed the integers in number line, you can easily get these properties. And understood quadrant, the x-axis and y-axis in a plane divides into 4 equal parts. Each is called quadrant. More about coordinate system and how to find distance of any 2 points in coordinate system we can study later. So today I am concluding the lesson. Thank you for watching this lesson. Have a nice day and see you next week with a new topic. Bye bye. Thank you.